Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Fitbit Charge 5 with your iPhone. First, make sure your Fitbit Charge 5 has at least 80% battery life to prevent interruptions during setup. Next, grab your iPhone and ensure its Bluetooth is turned on through the settings menu. Finally, confirm your iPhone is connected to a reliable internet source, whether it's a strong Wi-Fi signal or your cellular data, for a smooth experience. To begin, you'll need the Fitbit app. Head over to the Apple App Store on your iPhone and search for Fitbit to download the official application. Once installed, open the app. If you're new to Fitbit, you'll need to create a new account by following the on-screen prompts. For existing users, simply log in with your email and password to proceed to the next step. Now, let's connect your device. Inside the Fitbit app, tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then select Set up a device. From the list, choose Charge 5. The app will then guide you to search for your tracker. Once found, a 4-digit code will appear on your Charge 5 screen. Carefully enter this code into the Fitbit app on your iPhone to establish the secure connection. Almost there. The app will ask for various permissions, like access to notifications and location services. Please accept these for optimal performance. Continue following any final on-screen instructions, such as choosing which wrist you'll wear your Charge 5 on. Once these steps are complete, your Fitbit Charge 5 will perform its initial sync, transferring all its data to your iPhone. Congratulations, your device is now fully paired and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.